Welcome all. In today's video, we are going to show you how you can share your desktop or laptop storage to the network, so that you can connect your phone. First, open Control Panel from Start. Go to Administrative Tools. From there select Internet Information Services Manager. Now right-click and select Add FTP Site. Now provide a name for the server, and select the location. This will be the location where we upload and download. After that, click Next. Open CMD by clicking Windows plus R. Type CMD and type ipconfig. Copy IP4 address by Ctrl plus C. And paste. Set the port to default. Now in the SSL section select No SSL. And continue. Here tick Basic and select Specific User. And here name should match the username. And give read and write permission. And click Finish. Now click the drop-down arrow and select Site. From here select the site we created. From here you can control the server and see who all accessing the server. Now go to your phone file explorer. I'm using Solid Explorer here. Select Cloud Connection. And select FTTP and continue to provide the IP address. You can view your IP address in bindings under Edit Site. Here we need to enter the username and password. Your password is the same login password used to log in your PC. Now click Continue and connect. We have successfully connected. Now we can add, move, delete files. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please consider subscribing and like.